How to fix location is not available error on Windows 11 or 10. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like location is not available on your Windows 11 or 10 PC or laptop. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open your file explorer on your PC or laptop. So simply you have to open the file explorer. And now from here you'll have to open your C drive. Okay, so from your you'll have to open the Windows folder. So simply double click on it. And now from here you'll have to scroll down and find the folder like system32. So simply here it is. And from here you'll have to open this folder. Alright, so now on this section you'll have to create a new folder. So simply right click on it. And now from your new, okay, so from here choose the folder, continue. Okay, so the folder name would be like desktop and hit the enter. Alright, so after you created desktop folder on here, you'll have to back from here and you have to reset your PC or laptop, and from there your problem might be solved now after restarting your PC. And now from here I will also suggest you that you have to right click on your Windows C, and from here you'll have to go the option show more, and from here you'll have to go the option scan with Microsoft Defenders. Okay, so from here you can scan the Windows C from the Microsoft Defenders. So make sure on this scan you have not any problem. So from there your problem might be solved now. So if you face any problem there, you might be solve that problem for the location error problem on your PC or laptop. So this is the easiest and simplest method to fix the error like location is not available on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.